A lot of my customers ask how they can clean their hoodliners. You can clean them. You'll find they stay much cleaner than you would think, but sometimes they get dusty or a little dirt. Easiest thing to do, very cheap too. Just a broom you get them from a dollar store, just the handle. Spray bottle, also from the dollar store if you want. Just get some water. You can put a little soap if you need. Probably don't need it, but water is not going to harm it at all. Give it a spray. This one is not installed yet, of course, but you can do it while it's on the car. And just gently clean it, brush it. It's still a little damp, but it's fine, it'll dry. And that's it. The water is not going to harm it at all. The hood liner itself is very fragile, so you don't want to like take a cloth and rub against it or anything because it could catch. You don't want that. But you can touch it, it's not going to harm it. It's all waterproof. It's not going to fade. And that's it.